check the cameras, man. This is bullshit.
Well,
It's still wet.
is it gonna come off?
Oh, man, I don't need this shit. Did you do this? It's all wet.
I did do it.
No! I don't care. You bought the car for me. It's you. It's your car. Joke's on you. What is this?
It's paint. It's spray paint.
That's not going to come off now.
So what are you doing?
What are you doing? Yeah, you know what I'm doing, dog. Spray paint your car.
No! It's not real paint. It's washable chalk.
I think I broke my ankle.
We got all holes in the grass. I hope it comes off. It should come off.
You should crack your head with it. Yeah, nice.
You like that? I know they're your favorite.
Get out. I got more to do.
Oh, you broke it.
Clean that up now.
It's gonna stay like this.
Yeah.
You cleaning it?
Yeah, because I don't trust you.
How's that feel? I'll get you back.
Yeah, you better get the out of here.
Here, I got it.
No, you don't.
I'll clean it.
Yeah, I know.
Come on, it's fine. I'll clean it now.
Get out. Get out.
He went running. I'm cleaning it. There you go, it's coming right off. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is crazy looking.